Welcome to Tector. We are going to show you how to upload blueprints and attach sensors in Tector app. To upload the blueprint, go to Blueprints tab in the sidebar. Press Add a new blueprint. Ensure the blueprint file is in the correct format. You can find the list of supported formats on the Help Center page of the Tector official website. If you want to change the title of the blueprint, click the Tools icon on the top right corner and press Edit. Then enter the title, and optionally you can add some keywords. Afterwards, click Update. Now all the sensors will appear in the Add Sensors field. Press on the plus icon next to the sensors to attach them to the blueprint. Once they appear in the green field, then drag and drop them to the desired location on the blueprint. When you have done the necessary changes, press Confirm Changes.